I'm going to do a little follow-up of the fueling issue on this car. This morning, you can check out the video that I did. I'll put a card up. The car was starting, running for a few seconds and stalling, like it wasn't getting fuel. So, I went to AutoZone and O'Reilly's, and I was able to get pumps. These are sitting outside because they're kind of wet. I want to let the gasoline evaporate off of them. I got a Delphi replacement pump from AutoZone. These are the original GM pumps. And I got a Master Pro, which is the house brand for O'Reilly's. Same pump. These are I believe they're the original pumps, although they're awfully clean looking. They have GM part numbers on them. And everything was so dirty when I was taking it apart. Like, these have not been replaced in a long, long time, if they are replacements. But I replaced both the primary and the secondary pumps with these aftermarket ones, Delphi and the AutoZone, or rather the O'Reilly's house brand. They're all made in China. I think they're all pretty much the same. People say bad things about certain brands and stuff, but I don't know. I don't know what to think. They're all about the same, I think. Anyway, you can see my other video where I go through where I'm taking this car on a road trip, and I had the whole pump assembly out, and I replaced both pumps this afternoon. It's not super hard. It is a bit tedious though, and somewhat time consuming. Anyway, now let's just have a look here. The battery was a little dead earlier. I've had the battery tender on it for a couple hours, so we'll see if it's enough to start it. With the new pumps, it was running good after I put the new pumps in. Open the door here so we don't suffocate. Okay. Let's see if the new pumps are continuing to be friendly to us. This power seat is way forward. Let's put the power seat back a little bit. Okay, I'll get in this bathtub. Whoa! It's a long ways down. Okay. Get the big square key. Stick it in the go hole. Put the transmission in neutral. And let's see if those pumps are pumping. I hear whizzing. Well, the pumps are pumping, I think, or one is anyways. Don't quit. I'm paranoid now. Whenever the idle changes a little bit, I think it's a disaster. But it's not. Everything's fine. That funny little ticking. Okay, so we have idling. Seems to be running good. These pumps are problematic regardless. It's almost like a maintenance item to replace them once in a while, so I'm glad I did it. I knew nothing about this 24 hours ago. This time of night last night, I knew nothing about. I didn't even know it had two fuel pumps. And today I know that it has 2 fuel pumps, and I've taken them both out and replaced both of them from 2 different auto parts stores. And there they are. So we'll see how these pumps hold up. I'm taking this car on a 300-mile road trip tomorrow. And wish me luck. Thanks for watching, and check out the other videos on this car. I'm going to do some other road trip related videos for this car for my 300-mile road trip back home. And we'll see how it all goes. Once I get home, I'll be doing more videos on this car as I clean it up. And my intention is to have it as a driver, a summer driver. I plan to drive it a lot and go through it and make sure it's mechanically very sound. But so far so good. It's running. I'm happy with that. Last night it wasn't running. Today it is. I'm still getting used to all the noises that this thing makes, so I don't really understand it. Sounds great right now though. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos of this 91 Corvette ZR1.